In this video, we will show you how to model a villa quickly. First of all, let's take a look at the finished project. Okay, let's begin. Go to the Home menu first, click the Building Gallery tool. Select a building outline and place it in the scene. Then click the Building Extrusion tool to extrude the basic plane 2 floors up. Go to the Properties window on the right and click Floor Properties. Click on the ellipses button on the right to open the dialog box. Modify the floor heights and apply. Then continue to set the property indoor and outdoor height difference as 0 and change the parameter of apron to no. Then select the parapet and delete it. Next, go to the Modeling menu. Click the Extract Single Plane tool and extract this plane. Then click the Split Entity tool to split the plane. And delete the lower plane. Then go to Home menu, click Cross-Section Extrusion tool, use this plane as the reference plane to remove part of the wall. Next, enter Rec in the command line and draw a rectangle. Adjust its width to 2.77 in the Properties window. Then click on the Cross-Section Extrusion tool again, use this rectangle as the reference plane to remove another part of the wall. With the same operations, we can adjust the shape of other walls to change the shape of the villa to what we want. Right-click and select the View Control command, and switch the perspective to the front view. Then click the Polygon tool to draw the outline of a window. Select the outline and click on the Window tool to define the window. In the Properties window on the right, set the parameter of Display Window Cover to Yes. Adjust the window cover width to 0.2. The window cover depth to 0.12. And the glass depth to 0.12. Next, go to the Modeling menu, click the Extract Single Plane tool to extract the window plane, and click the Plane Offset tool to offset the plane. Then click the Subtract tool to subtract the redundant part and delete the redundant plane. Now, go to the Home menu, click the Rectangle tool to draw the shape of a mullion. Set the length to 0.03. Then right-click and select the Copy command to make 2 copies. The other window mullions could be created with the same operations. Next, go to Modeling menu, click the General Extrude tool, and enter 0.05, double-click the mullions to quickly extrude them. Use the same operations to create more windows for the villa. Now, let's make a roof. Go to the Home menu, click the Sloped Rooftop tool, and click the Confirm button to generate a sloped roof. Double-click some planes of the sloped roof, set their slope gradients to 90 degrees, and confirm. Then, go to the Modeling menu. Click the Plane Offset tool to make an offset copy of this plane, and drag the editing point to a proper position. Then click the General Extrude tool, and enter 0.14 to extrude the plane. Click the Plane Offset tool again to make another offset copy, and click the General Extrude tool, enter 0.03 to extrude it. Go to the Home menu. Click the Building Attachment tool. Set height to 0.32. Then click the Along Edge button to draw along the edge. Now let's make the railings. Go to the Modeling menu, click the Plane Offset tool, and offset the plane. Then click the Polysolid tool. Create a polyhedron along the edge. And delete the redundant plane. Click the Plane Offset tool again to offset the plane. Then click on the General Extrude tool and enter 0.05 to extrude it. Now go to the Home menu again, click the Rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. Set its length in the Properties window to 0.07, and set the width to 0.07. Then enter M in the command line and move the rectangle to the corner. Right-click and copy the rectangle. Set the length to 0.27, and set the width to 0.272. Then move the rectangle here, and delete the original rectangle. Now, click the General Extrude tool to extrude it, and then make more cuboids based on this one. Select the two cuboids at the bottom, go to Edit menu, and click the Mirror tool to mirror copy the cuboids. Then select all the cuboids and select the Entity Group tool to group them. Next, select the grouped entity, right-click and click Copy command to copy it. Repeat this operation. Then click these entities and click the Mirror tool to mirror copy them. OK, next. Right-click and select View Control Command and switch the perspective to the front view. Go to the Home menu, click the Polygon tool, and draw a polygon in a shape like this. Then go to the Edit menu and click the Mirror tool to mirror copy the polygon. Then go to the Modeling menu. Click the Union tool, and union the polygons. Next, click the Lathe tool to create a 3D model around the axis based on the polygonal plane. Enter M in the command line to move the entity and delete the plane. Then go to Edit menu, click the Array Copy tool, and draw a line to make multiple copies. Complete modeling the other side in the same way. Now the villa is finished. Let's move on and start modeling its surrounding area. Right-click, select View Control Command and switch the perspective to the top view. Go to the Home menu, click the Rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. Set the length to 6.3 and the width to 139.11. Then draw another rectangle again. And adjust the parameters. Next, go to the Modeling menu, click the Plane Offset tool and offset the plane. Then click the Subtract tool to subtract the planes. Then go to the Home menu, click the Line tool, and draw an auxiliary line like this. Then go to the Modeling menu. Click the Split Entity tool and split the plane. And delete the auxiliary line. Go to Home menu again and click the Rectangle tool to draw a rectangle like this. modify its parameters, and then move it here. Follow my operations to draw more rectangles, adjust their parameters and positions. Then go to the modeling menu, click the subtract tool, and subtract the planes like this. Next, go to the Scene menu, click the Water tool, and define the pool. Select the pool. And set the above ground height to 0 in the Properties window. Then go to the Home menu, click the Rectangle tool to draw a rectangle. Next, go to the Modeling menu. Click the Subtract tool to subtract the planes, and delete the redundant one. Then click the Plane Offset tool to offset the plane. And click the Subtract tool again to subtract them. Click the General Extrude tool, extrude the plane. Double-click the Rectangle tool to extrude quickly. Then select the Edge model, modify its color in the Properties window on the right. Now we already finished the modeling part. Next, let's apply materials to the models. First, click the Perspective button in the bottom right corner to turn on the perspective mode, and click the Shadow and Light Projection buttons to enable shadows and light blocking. Next, go to the Material menu, click the Material tool, select a texture and apply it to the roof using Single Side method and Single Entity method. Right-click, we can absorb the roof material to the panel, and here we can adjust its diffuse, smoothness and other parameters as needed. Then select another texture for the walls and apply it to them using Single Side method and Layered method. Similarly, select a texture and apply it to the mullions using Group method. Then click the Adjust Texture tool. By clicking the Face Editing and Modify All button, we can adjust the size and rotation angle of the textures. In this way, let's apply a texture to every object. Then select the villa, and set the floor line property to No in the Properties window. Now, let's add more plants to decorate the whole scene. Go to the Scene menu, click the Vegetation Entity tool, select plants and put them in the scene to make it look better. Okay, now the scene is finally finished. Let's output some rendered pictures and videos of our work. Go to the Video menu, click the Camera View List tool, and click the Save button to save the current view. Change the position of the camera, save the view again. Then go to the Scene menu, click the Environment tool, and double-click Sunset to change the scene environment. And change the camera position again to save the view. Next, go to the Insert menu, click the Export tool, select the location and change the picture name, then save, and modify the output size of the picture, then confirm to export. Now, let's make a video. Go to the Scene menu, click the Environment tool, and switch the weather to clear sky, then adjust the parameters of lighting. Go to the Video menu, click the Draw Path tool, and draw a video path in the scene. Click the Edit Path tool to adjust the parameters of height, angle and azimuth. And then click the Roaming Operation tool to check how the video looks. If it's okay, just click the Roam Path List tool, input the path name, and save the current path. Next, click the Roaming Operation tool. Click the Path Roaming Settings button to set parameters such as video size and video quality. Then confirm, and click the Exporting Video button, select the location and input the video name. Then click Save button to start recording the video. To browse the saved videos and views, we can go to the Insert menu and click the Publish tool. The saved videos and views could be found in the Preview window on the left. Then go to the menu bar in the bottom left corner, click the Publish button and select the location and then input the name of the file. Then click Save to export the current scene as an independent, executable published file. Double-click the published exe file to reopen the Interactive Simulation Publishing tool. The published videos and views could be found in the Preview window on the left. Besides, in the menu bar, the Video Roam button allows us to draw a video roaming path in the scene. The Effect Environment button allows us to modify the environment of the scene. And the Properties button allows us to view the indicator properties of the entities by hovering the mouse cursor onto them. Finally, this project is quickly completed with the help of easy-to-use commands and a powerful rendering engine. Let's take a look again. Thanks for watching.